Guys, I'm going to show you this white Xbox controller. So this is very similar to the original controller that you can actually get with the console. Typically, they'll come with this one Xbox home button that clicks in, blink, and you're going to want to push that to help connect it to the Xbox. Once you have it connected, once the actual button on the console stops blinking, you'll want to just double check that that takes you to the home page. Also, a neat feature is the colored buttons here. So the A is green, the X is blue, the Y is yellow, and the B is red. That is important in some of the features and functions of the games themselves. So it's neat that you actually get that on this type of controller. And then also these buttons here, the joysticks rather, have the ability to click in. So that is part of some of the functions of the games. And then also I like that they're a different color than the actual controller itself, so you can see the differentiation of which button you're trying to click or which stick you're trying to use. Otherwise, these two will have different features and functions depending on the use for the console that you're using, whether it's in-game, if you need a replacement or you need an extra to game with some buddies. This is the white colored one, or whether it's on the Xbox home pages or store pages or functions themselves, it'll have different uses, and it'll usually tell you what feature these buttons each do. Otherwise, overall, this has been a great controller to use. This has been a great function, and we've really enjoyed using this product. Come with the original design of it. As you can see, because it's white, it will get dirty, so you'll want to wipe that off periodically with a cloth. I actually was going to wipe it down, but I wanted to show you guys, for example, just how the natural grip, see how my fingers would go there, so just dirt gets there. It's been sitting on the Xbox for a while, so it'll get kind of grimy there with dust and stuff collecting on it. You have the plug-in port there on the top, so if you want to plug the controller in, you'd plug it in and then the other end into the console, and you can use it that way. Otherwise, it does have this wireless Bluetooth button that you'll use to connect to the Bluetooth function of the console, and so that'll use the remote wirelessly. You'll see this button here, which is the Xbox